Hello everyone. Today let us discuss about the expression for electrical conductivity of a metal. So we know that metal is a good conductor of electricity. So taking metal as a sample in which there are n number of free electrons and considering the Kelvin temperature of that metal as T. So normally in metals there are more number of free electrons which are otherwise called as valence electrons. So these valence electrons are responsible for the conductivity term since it makes a random movement along the container. So during that random motion it may collide with the nearby ions or the walls of the vessel or container where it is kept. So before entering into the electrical conductivity term, we have to see some more terms like mean free path, so which is the average distance travelled between two successive collisions by the electrons. So here it is taken as lambda and tau is the collision time. So time taken for making that two successive collisions. And the velocity is considered to be v. So without electric field that velocity is represented as random velocity v. So the formula for mean collision time is tau is equal to lambda by v. In the absence of electric field, the major part of the electron depends upon the kinetic energy because as by free electron theory, the potential energy is very negligible one. So here, comparing this kinetic energy of electron with the law of equipartition of energy, it is written as half mv square is equal to 3 by 2 kT. Here K represents the Boltzmann constant. In the presence of electric field, here the term is represented as capital E. The average velocity, that is v, here it becomes drift velocity because the motion of free electrons gets slowed down and also the direction of the free electron is opposite to the direction of the electric field. So drift velocity is represented by the letter V naught. So if there is an electric field, then automatically a force will be created. The force acting on the electron due to the electric field can be written as F is equal to EE divided by M. Whereas the numerated part EE represents, normally we know that F is equal to QE. So that is here written as EE. So by using the Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to product of mass and acceleration. So MA is equal to EE divided by M. So from that we can write the acceleration term as EE by M. Bringing the M term to the right hand side, it becomes A is equal to EE divided by M. So next, considering an electron which has just collided with an iron core. So after this collision process, the electron moves with a fresh velocity. So here drift velocity V naught can be written as acceleration into mean collision time, that is V naught is equal to A into tau. Already we wrote A is equal to EE by M, so that is substituted here. So V naught is equal to EE by m into that collision time, that is lambda divided by v. So this is average drift velocity term. Next we are going to use the term current density, that is J. So current density is equal to NeV0, where N is the number of free electrons, E is the charge, and V0 is the drift velocity. So already we have found out V0 is equal to EE lambda divided by mv. That will be substituted here. So current density becomes N E square lambda divided by mv. Next, electrical conductivity is represented by the term sigma, which is the amount of charge flowing across the unit area of cross section of the metal in 1 second. So expression is, general relation of electrical conductivity is sigma is equal to the ratio of current density to the electric field, that is J by E. So as by equation 2, we found out J term. From that onwards we can write J by E, that is by bringing the electric field term which is in the right hand side to the left hand side, it becomes denominator. So J by E. So now sigma is equal to N E square lambda divided by mv. So the basic collision time relation is tau is equal to lambda by v. So instead of lambda by v, we can substitute tau. Now electrical conductivity of the metal is equal to N E square tau by m. So this is the expression for electrical conductivity of the metal. From that we are going to find out the electrical resistivity term. So we normally know that resistivity is the reciprocal of conductivity. So electrical resistivity is denoted by the letter rho. So rho is equal to 1 by sigma. Already the electrical conductivity term is represented as N E square tau by m. So if you write it in reciprocal term, it becomes m by N E square tau. So that is said to be the electrical resistivity of the metal. So we find electrical conductivity as well as electrical resistivity of metals. Thank you.